Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are someone who spends a lot of time working online or you are looking for ways to get more done in less time, this video is for you. In this video, I will be showing you 10 powerful Chrome extensions that you can leverage in order to increase your productivity and get more focused in 2024. If you are ready for this, let's jump right into the video. The first extension we'll be talking about today is Momentum. This extension transforms your new tab into a personal dashboard with a beautiful background, an inspiring quote, and even your main focus for the day. It is perfect for helping you stay organized and visually motivated. You can even add a focus mode depending on the task you are presently working on, and this also uses the Pomodoro technique. You can also add your to-do list, check weather, and feel a little boost of motivation or inspiration every time you open a new tab. The next extension I will be talking about is One Tab. One Tab is a must-have if you are someone that loves opening too many tabs while working on your system. One Tab consolidates all your open tabs into a single list, freeing up memory and reducing clutter on your screen. You can reopen the tabs with just one click whenever you need them again. In order to get One Tab installed on your browser, all you have to do is to go to the Chrome Web Store and search for One Tab and get it installed to your Chrome browser. The next extension I will be talking about is Text Blaze. If you are typing the same phrases or responses over and over again, Text Blaze will save you a ton of time. It is a text expander that lets you create shortcuts for commonly used text, email templates, or even full paragraphs. Just type your shortcut and Text Blaze will fill in the rest for you. Now, let me show you how it works. After adding Text Blaze to your Chrome browser, you need to sign up with your email. After signing up with your email, you have to come to the dashboard here and click on this plus button to create your new shortcut. For me, I want to create a shortcut for all my social media links so that whenever I need them, I don't have to type them out one after the other, but just to use my shortcut to input the social media links automatically. So as you can see, I have to enter the name for my label and also the name for my shortcut, then input all my social media links. Then after that, I can now try it out to see how it works. Then let us go to my email and effect this and let's see how it works. Now, after opening my email, I have to create a message as if I want to send a mail. Then I will input my link to see if the shortcode will work. Great, as you can see right on the screen, it worked perfectly. So this can come handy if you are used to sending the same email over and over again. You want to save as much shortcut as possible so that you can manage your time and get more work done in less time. The next extension I will be talking about is REGBT. REGBT is a powerful Chrome extension. Imagine having the power of AI right inside your email. Well, with REGBT, that's exactly what you get. REGBT allows you to generate email drafts based on a simple prompt directly from your email page. Whether you need a quick response or you want to generate a full email, this tool will make it super easy for you. As you can see right on the screen, all you have to do is just to enter the prompt. After entering the prompt, you can then come down to where you have the REGBT icon, and clicking on that icon, it will generate your email for you seamlessly, as you can see right here. So you don't really have to worry yourself about what to write. All you have to do is to come up with a prompt, tell the AI what exactly you want to write about, then it will generate your email for you seamlessly. How great is that? Superb, right? The next extension is called Noisli. When you need some background sound to help you focus more on what you're doing or just to relax, Noisli is your go-to. It helps you create custom soundscape, whether it is the sound of rain or a coffee shop, or even if you want to activate a relaxed mode. You can mix and match sounds to create the perfect environment for deep work. As you can see right on the screen, you have several themes for productivity, for relaxed mode, and others. So you can mix your sound here just to relax or to activate a deep work environment. Up next is Print Friendly, a simple but incredibly useful Chrome extension. Print Friendly is a great extension that can help you save web pages as a PDF. If you are into research or you want to learn more about a particular web page, but you are not ready to do that immediately, you can actually save that web page as a PDF. With the help of Print Friendly, you can actually do that. And also, it can help you remove all the ads, sidebars, and all the unnecessary clutter from the web pages, giving you a clean and printer-friendly version of the web page. So you can also save the page either as a PDF or even share it as email. And this is perfect for archiving or even sharing information. Another fantastic extension I'll be talking about is called Weava Highlighter. Especially if you're into research, content marketing, or any other creative field, Weava Highlighter is a must-have. This extension allows you to highlight and save important text from any web page. It makes it very easy to revisit key information later in the day. All your highlights are actually stored in one place, so it is perfect for organizing notes or even references. Windy Day is another amazing Chrome extension that will enhance your productivity. With Windy Day, you can set daily goals and track your progress. It is designed to keep you focused on completing your most important task, and it even includes habit tracking and motivational messages to keep you going. Now, with Windy Day, you can set whatever goal you want to achieve over a span of weeks, then break it down to daily targets. And with these, whenever you open a new tab, you will see the daily target, keeping you in tune to know what you are to do per day and what you are trying to achieve over a period of time. Windy Day is just like momentum, but with Windy Day, you can set a goal for up to 13 weeks. Now, the next extension I will be talking about is a great one when it comes to lead generation. Hunter is a game-changing tool for finding verified email addresses in seconds. All you need to know is the name of the company or the company website. Once you can insert the name of the company or the company website with just a click, Hunter scans the website and locates email contact, saving you hours of searching. As you can see right on the screen, all I have to do is just to provide the name of the company. Then after providing the name of the company, it loads up the website. Then you click on the website and in seconds, it delivers to you key contacts in the company. As you can see right on the screen, I'm using Faceless here and I can see the email of their CEO. I can also see other email addresses. And right on the screen also, I can see their support email if I want to contact the company and other important details that I need to know about the company. You can also download the information as a CSV file. All you have to do is just to click the export button, scroll down, you will see the download button, click on the download button, then you can save it in your PC. Now, the last tool I will be talking about is called Scribe. Scribe is a fantastic tool for anyone who regularly documents processes or even creates standard operating procedures. Scribe captures your actions as you go and it turns them into step-by-step guides, complete with screenshots of each step. Now, this tool is ideal for creating quick tutorials, ebooks, or even SOPs on the fly. As you go through a process, Scribe automatically captures every step, helping you create professional guides without extra work. It is perfect if you want to create a step-by-step ebook or even sharing knowledge with your team or onboarding new hires. As a step-by-step process here, I'm trying to use Scribe here to show how you can actually install a WordPress theme. And right on the screen, you can see it. Scribe will actually capture every step from your button down to your scrolling and every other thing, down to every actions you are taking right on your screen. Now, after going through all the steps, Scribe will actually document the screenshots for each step. Then you can use that to prepare a guide. It will automatically generate a guide for you. Now, right from the guide, as you can see right on the screen, now you can see you can even edit each step so that you can actually teach whoever you are trying to send the guide to, so that the person can have a better understanding. So you can edit each step to suit whatever you are trying to do. So Scribe is a fantastic tool if you want to prepare a guide, or if you want to teach people how to perform a particular task.